Hello, good day and welcome. Today I'm going to be solving NECO 2019 Mathematics Past Question, question 44. Find the coordinates of the midpoint of the line joining point A, which has a coordinate of 5 and 2, and point B with a coordinate of 3 and 4. A, 2 and minus 2, B, 2 and 3, C, 3 and 4, D, 4 and 3, and E, 8 and 6. Now, we're asked to find the coordinate of the midpoints of the line joining what? These 2 points. Now, these are points. Point A with coordinates of what? 5 and 2, and point B with the coordinate of what? Coordinates of 3 and 4. Coordinates of 3 and 4. Now, with point A having a coordinate of 5 and 2, we can say what? Let this be x1 comma y1, and point B having a coordinate of 3 and 4, let this be x2 comma y2. Now let the midpoints be M. Now we can now see that the coordinates of the midpoint, which is M, is giving us xm, ym, that's comma ym, is equal to x2 plus x1 all over 2, comma y2 plus y1 all over 2. So this is the formula for finding the coordinates of the midpoint M. So x2 plus x1 all over 2, comma y2 plus y1 all over 2, and you can see that the x1 is a coordinate of A, and y1 is also a coordinate of A, x2 is a coordinate of B, and y2 is also a coordinate of B. So from here we have that the coordinates of the midpoint M, comma ym, is equal to x2 is what? X2 is 3 plus x1, which is 5 all over 2, comma y2 is 4 plus y1, which is 2 all over what? 2. So we have that the coordinates of the midpoints xm ym is equal to what? Is equal to 8 all over 2, comma 6 all over 2, and so therefore xm comma ym is equal to 4 comma 3, and this is the coordinate of what? This is the coordinate of the midpoints 4 comma 3, and that is what? Option D, 4 comma 3. Thank you and God bless you, and subscribe to our channel for more videos.